Welcome to Best Choice. The best Adornos Para La Sala is probably one of the most important elements in your living room. They can completely transform the atmosphere, adding personality and style. But with so many options available, choosing the right ones can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic Adornos Para La Sala options, helping you find the perfect pieces to elevate your space. Number 5. Homedics Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. Introducing the Homedics Silver Springs Fountain. It's the perfect size to add a decorative accent to any tabletop or desk. The three-tiered design creates a gentle, soothing sound of water, replicating a tranquil spring. This fountain features a quiet, built-in submersible pump. Simply fill the basin with water and enjoy. The pump circulates the water, keeping it clean. An on-off switch makes it easy to use. The Asian-inspired design features 3 leaf tiers. The deep basin allows the sounds of cascading water to fill your home. It also includes a unique lighting feature that creates a soft, romantic glow. Use this fountain to de-stress after a long day. It's perfect for creating a peaceful environment before bedtime. You can also use it in your baby's nursery or at your desk to center yourself. Your purchase includes the Enviroscape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain, Natural River Rocks, 3 leaf tiers, a power cord and adapter, a pump cover, water pump, fountain base, and an instruction manual. Everything you need for instant relaxation. What we like. This fountain creates a tranquil atmosphere with its gentle water flow and soft lighting. It's perfect if you are looking for a way to unwind after a long day or add a touch of serenity to your workspace. If you like the sound of running water and want to create a relaxing environment, you should consider this. What people say. The fact that it is plastic doesn't detract from its appearance at all in my opinion. I also like the placement of the LED lights. There are 3 of them and their placement is well thought out. Number 4. Home Sweet Home Decorative Book Set. Introducing a charming set of decorative books. This set includes white faux books with a home sweet home message, perfect for adding style to any space. You'll also receive a farmhouse bead garland with tassels. This combination creates a complete and stylish look for your home decor. The large book stack measures 8.27 by 5.5 by 3 inches. The wood bead garland is 52 inches long. You can use them together or separately. Both the books and garland are made from high-quality, odorless wood. They have a realistic, rustic appearance, adding a peaceful ambience to your home. These farmhouse decor pieces are great for any table, shelf, or corner. They can be used in your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. These books make ideal gifts for various occasions. They are sure to impress with their tasteful and delicate design. What we like. These decorative books bring a touch of rustic charm to any space. The included bead garland adds an extra layer of style. If you like farmhouse decor and want to add a stylish touch to your coffee table or bookshelf, it is a great choice. What people say. The white faux covers give a clean, minimalist look that blends well with farmhouse, rustic, or modern styles. The stacked design makes them easy to display on a coffee table, shelf, or entryway, and the inspirational phrase, "With God all things are possible," adds a meaningful touch without being overwhelming. The included inspirational phrase, "With God all things are possible," is a lovely touch that adds personality and charm. Number 3. Vintage Castle Paris Snow Globe, Silver. This vintage snow globe is a unique and fashionable home decoration. It's perfect for your living room, bookshelf, or desk. It also makes a great gift for friends and family. The snow globe is handmade with retro craftsmanship, giving it a nostalgic feel. The design adds an artistic atmosphere to any room. Inside, you'll find the Paris Eiffel Tower. The layers are staggered and exquisite. When you shake it, colorful lights surround the tower. This snow globe has colorful lights and plays music. The built-in sequins and lights make the crystal ball dazzling. It's a beautiful sight to behold. The snow globe features a detachable hourglass. It's beautiful and practical. It's also a great way to relieve stress when you're tired. What we like. This snow globe combines music, light, and a vintage aesthetic to create a unique decorative piece. It features a detachable hourglass for added functionality. If you are looking for a unique gift or a conversation starter, it's a perfect choice. What people say. Beautiful water globe. The hour click makes it even more appealing to watch. Attractive and has a functioning timer, time underscore with underscore upwards underscore arrow. This is very pretty and unique. It has a nice vintage look. I love the globe, it is so beautiful, and the light feature. The sand timer is great too. Number 2. Motivational Desk Decor Set of 3 Faux Books. Introducing a set of 3 decorative faux books, perfect for any modern space. They are designed to enhance your bookshelves, desks, or console tables. These books are ideal for men's office decor or any space needing a minimalist touch. The monochrome palette pairs effortlessly with various interior styles. Each book doubles as a hidden storage box with a magnetic closure. It's perfect for keeping small office supplies neatly out of sight. Arriving pre-assembled, each book features a durable hardcover exterior. You can stack candles or small plants on top to create layered displays. With its motivational theme and sleek design, it makes an excellent gift. It's a thoughtful present for anyone building a stylish and inspiring space. With bold titles, this set serves as a daily reminder to stay motivated. It helps create a positive, goal-driven atmosphere in your workspace. What we like. These decorative books not only look stylish but also offer hidden storage for your essentials. The motivational theme is perfect for creating an inspiring workspace. If you are looking to declutter your desk while adding a touch of style, you should consider them. What people say. Looks just like the photo. They open for small storage for such things as paper clips, tacks, rubber bands, etc., good quality. These books complement my hall decor. I was looking for something contemporary, sleek, and these books didn't disappoint. Cute decor. I like that you can open it and it's like a little box that you can put things in. Number 1. Oliruim White Gold Ceramic Heart Statue. This heart-shaped ceramic statue blends white and gold elegantly. It's meticulously crafted, embodying modern aesthetics, perfect for any contemporary space. It's perfect for gold bedroom or white living room decor. This piece fuses gold decor with abstract elegance, adding a unique charm to any room. This sculpture resonates with love, making it an exquisite anniversary gift or a stunning wedding centerpiece. It's also a poignant choice for Valentine's decorations. Embodying both heart and abstract decor, it stands out as a dining table showpiece. Crafted from premium quality ceramic, its dimensions are 12.2 x 7.4 L 2.7 W. The statue's versatile design suits living rooms, bedrooms, offices, kitchens, and entryways. It's an ideal centerpiece or a stylish accent for bookshelves and mantels. This double heart statue beautifies your home and symbolizes love and unity. What we like. This ceramic heart statue adds a touch of elegance and love to any space. It's perfect for adding a modern touch to your bedroom or living room. If you are looking for a unique and meaningful gift or a stylish accent piece, it's a great choice. What people say. Sturdy. Good quality. Great. It worth the price. Very eye-catching. Size is perfect and the quality is excellent. It serves its purpose for what I isn't. The heart-shaped statue decor is a charming and elegant addition to any home. This double heart sculpture enhances spaces such as TV stands and entryways. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.